Recall, the bond that never breaks. The company behind it is sitting at 17% below its highs, and the quarter four results are just 2 weeks away. This is Pidilite Industries. Let me ask you something. When you think of an adhesive, what brand comes to mind? Fevicol. Every carpenter, every plumber, every painter in India uses Fevicol. That's not a product, that's a monopoly. And the company behind it is Pidilite Industries. Here's what Pidilite does: adhesives and sealants, waterproofing chemicals under Dr. Fixit, instant adhesive Fevikwik, epoxy sealant M-Seal, art products under Fevicryl, and industrial resins and construction chemicals. 650 products, 50 countries, and over 100,000 dealers in India. The numbers: Quarter 3 FY26, the standalone revenue is up by around 3,709 crores, which is 11% year-on-year growth. EBITDA is up by over 12.1%. Profit after tax up by over 12.5%. The volume growth 9.3%. And the gross margins expanded 200 basis points because their main raw material, vinyl acetate monomer, got cheaper. So the company is growing while also becoming more profitable. It also has a very strong return on equity of over 22.36% and a return on capital employed of over 28%. Apart from this, you can see that the liquidity ratios are very good. It has an ideal current ratio of almost 2.18 and a very good quick ratio of around 1.68. We can also see that the company is almost virtually debt free, having a debt to equity ratio of 0.01 and also a very high interest coverage ratio of 57. Pairing all this together, you can say that the financial position of the company is extremely good. So, all in all, this stock is a compounding machine. So, why is the stock down? Construction sector slowdowns in early FY26 hit Fevicol volumes. The price to earnings at 65 times PE leaves no room for any miss. And there are new competitors like Birla Opus and Sika are trying to enter this space. These are real risks, but they are cyclical and not structural to the stock's fundamentals. With the quarter four results on May 7, that's the seasonally strongest quarter for construction chemicals, and with it, a dividend is also expected. Now, those are the fundamentals. Let's move on to the technicals. As you can see here, the stock went from around 1,167 levels all the way to around 1,688 levels. And since then, it has been moving across this zone over here. It keeps going above this region and then keeps going below this, as you can see. Now, as you can see here, this level at 1,428 acted as the previous support level, but now it is actually acting as the new resistance level. From here, we can see that the current support level is at around 1,281 rupees. This is supported by the strong demand regions over here, as you can see, which are also marked by the high volume in that region as well. And like I said, this is the new resistance level, which is supported by the strong supply zones over here. Now, how would you want to go into executing this trade? As you can see, the current price is 1,417 or 19, which is extremely close to the new resistance level. And with the quarter four results coming in, which is expected to be the strongest quarter for this stock, you can expect that the stock price will actually break out of this resistance level and may even go into this region over here. So, what do you want to do now? If you are bullish, you can enter into a GTT trade over here. What you can do is right click over here, set a GTT trade, click on right click, go to buy, and then enter your entry price over here. I will set it to around 1,436 levels. So, let me just do that. Do the same for this side as well. Now I have successfully created a buy order GTT. Now, you can also set your target and your stop loss with a GTT feature. How can you do this? Just it is quite simple. Click on right click, create GTT, go to sell, click on one, cancels the other. In this way, you can set your stop loss as well as your target price. So I will keep my stop loss to around 1275 levels. So let me just do that. 1275. And now for the target, I expect the stock to go to at least around 1640 levels or so. So let me just set the target price as well. This is supported because of the strong fundamentals. This stock is basically a very quality stock which is now being offered at a discount, which is only due to the slow construction momentum. And in this way, you can create the GTT sell order, and as soon as the stock reaches either of these levels, it will immediately sell the stock. So you have your stop loss covered and your target price set. And this also offers a very good risk to reward ratio for me in this trade. Please keep in mind this isn't financial advice, so please do your own research and analysis before going ahead with this trade. If you like the video, please follow for more such tips like this. Thank you.